One of the beautiful day in New Jersey. It's a snowstorm. Unbelievable. It's more than 19 inch. Nobody can go outside. Schools are closed and everybody stay home. They called the office and informed we couldn't come out. We are not able to come to work. See the scale, it's almost 19 inch now. What a wonderful world. Everywhere the snow white. I love this beautiful day. See the wind blow and the snow crystals fly all over everywhere, and the trees are covered by the snow. What a beautiful day. It's so cold outside. It's about minus 15 degrees Celsius. The weather is tough, but it's something like enjoyable and challenging and effort. That's beautiful. Totally, I can say it's beautiful. Very strong wind and so cold. Look at that, the scale. Wow, I love this weather. It's so beautiful, amazing beautiful. Look at these trees everywhere, like blooming white flowers all over. Thank you for watching. Give me a subscription and your like and your comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.